I wrench out.
Did you get it off?
Yeah. I need to take both of them off so I could fucking. These clamps are a little bit.
These clamps are horrible, dude.
Yeah, they suck, man.
They're so bad. That's literally what everybody says. They're like, yeah, the clamps that they get or that they give you are the worst.
These suck, man. Put in first. Ooh. Did I get close?
Yeah, you got pretty close.
I almost hit it. I'm like trying to push it with my foot, dude. Alright, now see if you can grab a hammer and hammer it in like from that side.
Alright. It's not going anywhere. I don't think this one is either. There we go. Actually tightened up a little bit.
Good. Dude, I ended up literally just hitting it just straight metal on metal action.
Oh,
yeah. There it is. Go for it. There you go.
Dialed.
Need this one on there.
Oh.
Not dialed.
I didn't even know that one was off. You get it?
We need to pull this one down.
You see? Oh. Got it.
Let's Dremel this bitch out. Time to get the air tools out. Huh?
I said, oh, he's like that. Just gonna hit it from the front.
Exactly.
I should have a spot on it.
Yep.
It's like we're filming a skate video.
Yeah, dude. What's up, guys? We're gonna talk about Jocelyn's tray flip.
Yeah, that shit is gnarly.
Yeah, that shit was gnarly. Damn.
I forgot I got remote start. If it works. Fuck it, we're going inside, dude.
You just suck?
Yeah, I guess.
Good.
I fucking love air tools, dude. They're the best.
Yeah, dude. They're powerful.
That's fun. Especially with the fucking pressure.
The fuck is playing, dude? Some garden, dude? Yeah, that was some poser ass shit, dude.
Dude, that's what
garden
it
here.
is. We just walked into some crazy music. Hell yeah.
I like this. Let's get to fucking cut. Now I'll draw on the A stars, man.
Those are pretty. Damn, those are sick.
Jesus loves you, man. Where's it at? Boom. See that? Happy face. You got the scratches somewhat out. You went a little deep on it. That's fine. It's better than before.
Alright.
Yup. Yup.
Way better.
Heck yeah.
Go back up. Where?
Flick up. Oh, heck yeah.
Yeah, that looks so good now.
Yeah.
Thank you, dude. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
That shit fucking came out pretty damn good.
Yeah.
As a whole,
That's just a whole
yeah,
flood
fuck,
light,
bro. Come on, bro. It's good.
Hey, Simply, are you hungry?
Like, bro, chill. Oh, you're not fucking hungry? Let me just blind you.
Let me just fucking
He's hungry, baby.
Hey, stay behind me a little bit. Hey, stay behind me a little bit. I fucking lost the beanie, dude.
What the fuck? Did you say, oh shit, my beanie?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Got it back though.
Pesh Boy Films beanie. Oh, watch out, watch out. The side of the road, dude. Let's see this. Damn, you still have a big ass head, bro. Yo, this fool, when he was like maybe 13, dude, had the biggest orange beanie I could ever imagine, dude. Could fit.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, dude. That's
Now we're good.
wicked, dude.
Just on the side of the road.
Dude, literally, bro. You're gonna get killed.